Samsung's big bet on humanoids. Hi, RoboPhil here with a quick robot philosophy news update for you. Big news from the tech world, Samsung Electronics just leveled up the robots game by grabbing a 35% stake in Rainbow Robotics. Yet they're not just making phones and TVs anymore, they're now diving headfirst into humanoids. This did all start with Samsung snagging 14.7% for a cool $59 million. But clearly this wasn't enough robot for them. So they dropped another $181.6 million to become the largest shareholder. Guessing they really want a front row seat in the robot uprising. I mean development. And here's the kicker, Rainbow Robotics isn't new to this. Their robot Hubo literally won a DARPA competition back in 2015. A robot that can win $2 million. I need one of those in my house. Samsung says that blending Rainbow tech with their AI smarts to create next level humanoids, plus they're launching a Future Robotics Office that reports straight to the CEO. So buckle up, the future is not just smarter, it's got two arms and can probably do things better than I can. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and dive deeper into the world of the latest robotic trends, join me on my weekly Robot Optimized workshop. Details are below, I'd love to see you there.